Hi, this is the maintenance tile, formed of 5 interconnected applications, and now I'm going to present to you how they are working together. First, we have to add equipment, so let's fill in the details, the name, the part number, let's say gear 4311, location in latitude and longitude, followed by selecting a checkup date and the service interval. We will attach some documentation of the gear, which can be previewed within the application, and we also have the option to download it. So let's create the equipment. Now the equipment has been successfully generated, and by pressing restart we can create another piece of equipment straight away. The next step is going to equipment MD, where we have all the equipment listed. We can filter using the buttons to see the assigned and unassigned equipment. So let's search for our equipment. Here 4311, we'll select it, and in here we can edit all the details. So let's make some changes in the part number, the location. We will select a new checkup date, and we will extend the service interval. By pressing update information, the new information will be saved, and we can also assign the equipment to a field worker. Now the list has been updated with the new information. With these two steps completed, we can go to the inspection portal to perform our inspection. So let's select our equipment, and in here we can preview the location on the map, and we also have all the details listed. We can add comments, so let's say no damages, and save. We can take or upload a picture of the equipment, which can be previewed within the application and saved. The application also comes with a barcode scanning feature, and the last step will be to sign the inspection. Once this is done, the form is ready to be submitted. By pressing submit, the status of the inspection will change. Once the inspection is submitted, it will appear in the maintenance inbox, where the inspector will have to review and approve or reject the inspection. In here we have all the details of the inspection as well as the attachment. So let's add a note, such as inspection has been made according to the company standards, and save it. We can also add an attachment, so let's add a picture. Now we can reject or approve the inspection. So let's approve it, and once approved, it will no longer be available within the list. The last section is activities, where we have a bar chart with the statuses of the inspections. So in here we can easily preview how many inspections have been assigned, submitted, completed, or rejected.